Today we are going to show you how to put together the American Rodeo, your new bull. Here we have the base that we are going to place on a surface as flat as possible with the 4 supports. At each end of the supports, there is a plate to fix it to the ground with a stake. Each support is fixed to the base with 2 bolts, one at the top and one at the bottom, and the other in the bracket. In this way, we make sure that the whole base is stable. Then, we untangle the cables that will be plugged into the board. We continue, placing the inflatable on one side. We unroll it, always bearing in mind that the sleeve for the blower will be on the back side. Another thing to keep in mind is that the cable must be on one of the sides, avoiding it to be under one of the supports. In reference to the above mentioned, the sleeve must be in this way to be able to position the turbine for its inflation. The inflatable has an opening in the central part that is placed on the base. In this way, to be able to place, then, the bull, the plug is left in sight to connect it to the electricity. Then, in the mount, we remove the bolts to be able to place the base on the plate. To place the mount on the base, it has a guide to help us in its placement. Once the mount is in place, we proceed to adjust the 6 bolts. Remember to plug the cable from the base to the mount. Once the grips are untied, we remove the case in this way. Now we will place the horns in the following way, leaving the spring inside the head and using the tool for this task. Then we plug the wires of the base in their corresponding color in a single position. The set is now ready for operation. The inflatable has 2 spaces for you to place your advertising, at the front and under the horns. In the back, there are 2 valves to deflate it, with zipper.